Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can set your own music file as a ringtone for an alarm. There are two ways to do that, so please make a note of it. Also, please make a note that this is an Android only feature, so please do not try this on iOS because it's not supported there. So you click on the plus sign. When you click on new alarm, let's say we pick a new alarm for myself. I'm going to call it let's say make tea, and I'm going to set it for a few minutes from now. So let's say I set it for 6:16, and then we are going to pick the right music, right? So we are going to go to sound and vibration, and you'll see there's a setting called alarm ringtone. All kinds of ringtones you can pick, but you can also go and pick music from phone. And in this case, I'm going to pick this 3D music, and I save it. So at 6:16, this alarm should ring with the ringtone that we have selected. So I mentioned there are two ways of setting this. If you go to settings, there is also a global setting that is by default set to Summersoft. You can change that also. Let's say we pick another different type of music from the phone, and we call it we pick the Impact Moderato one. And I'm going to save this. So all new alarms are going to use this other setting. So now let's go back and wait for our alarm to expire, and then we can see what ringtone it uses, and that way I can show you specifically some things to keep in mind. So here our alarm is ringing now, and I'm going to snooze it for 10 minutes. So now it's snoozing for 10 minutes, and now we will go back to our alarm, and then we will notice that the first alarm that we created for make tea is expired. That's why it is shown as red, and it's snoozing for 10 more minutes, which is till 6:26. So when I click on that alarm, you'll see the sound and vibration shows the music is set to 3D. If I create a new alarm now, a new alarm will be set to the new music that we had picked. So you see the new alarm is using the Impact Moderato ringtone that we had set in the global preferences. So again, the important thing to note is there are two places where you can set the sound and vibration. One is inside the alarm, and if it is already set to something, then the global setting is not going to override it. You will have to manually change your existing alarms to make them use the alarm ringtone of your choice. If you have any questions, please go to settings and feedback and send us feedback, or you can go to the specific alarm and click on a report a problem, and from there you can reach out to us. Hopefully this was useful. Thank you so much, and happy alarming.